In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add background image in TradingView. By the end, you'll have your chosen JPG or PNG set as the background of your TradingView chart using the fastest drag and drop method. First, get your image file ready. Make sure it's a JPG or PNG, and keep the file size under 2 megabytes. Having the file on your desktop or in a handy folder will make this quick. Next, open TradingView and go to the chart where you want the background image. Wait for the chart to fully load so you're not dragging onto a screen that's still refreshing. Now, arrange your windows so you can see both the TradingView chart and the image file at the same time. This could be side-by-side windows or simply having the image on your desktop behind the browser. From here, click once on the main chart area to make sure it's active. You want to drop the image onto the actual price chart, not onto the left toolbar, the watch list, or any settings panels. Now, drag your image file from its folder and move your cursor directly over the main chart area. When your cursor is over the chart, release the mouse. That's it. The image drops onto the chart and is applied as the background immediately. Take a second to confirm it worked. You should see your background image behind the candles, bars, or whatever chart type you're using, without covering your drawings or indicators. Try zooming or panning the chart. The background image should remain in place behind the price action as you move around. If the image doesn't appear, check 2 things right away. First, confirm the file type is JPG or PNG. Second, confirm the file is under 2 megabytes. If it's larger, quickly compress or resize it, then drag and drop again. Also, make sure you're dropping onto the chart area itself. If you accidentally drop onto a sidebar or a different panel, nothing may happen. If you see any brief loading indicator, just give it a moment. Once the background is set, the chart should continue to behave normally. Your drawings, indicators, and watch list are unaffected. In case the chart looks busy after adding the background, remember that's just a visual change. Candles and grid lines remain on top of the image. If readability is an issue, try using a simpler image file or one with more neutral colors and lower contrast, then drag and drop that updated file onto the chart the same way.